All Indians are mine. Brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and very dedicated. I shall give my parents, teachers, commanders, respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, pledge my devotion. And in this